guys, it's me, back. And I have some slime that I made. It's called Galaxy Slime. I know I just made it purple. It's because I just wanted it in purple because this is my second time making slime. I actually made more slime. And I love to play with this. I'll put it on the ground here. And this is a story that I made. It's really, really short. So this is the name of it. Okay, I ripped out by 1 minute, so I'll just put this back. The Baby Rudolph story. What? See, look. If you can't see that. Can't really see it. And now, one day Lily was trying to find a home because she had no home. She was sad, but one day she found a home. And she was happy. She knocked on the door. That's how short it is. I'm so sorry. We'll go downstairs and let me show you something. This is what happened to my slime. Woo! Bubbly woo! Oh, it's gonna rip. I'm gonna put it in my container. Sugar, sugar. We will go downstairs. Ooh. Just for like a minute or so. I'm gonna uncharge my iPad. Ow. That hurt me. This is more slime that I made. You can't really see. Let me turn on my light. Woo! Party in the bedroom. Party in the bedroom. My mommy and daddy got it for me. And this is what I made. I made golden slime. I meant it's called putty. And I'll never make a slime video because you know what? Because my mommy won't do it and I need my mommy to help. And this is what it is. It's gold slime. Cool, isn't it? It's like see-through gold. I'll put it back in my thingy because we're going to go downstairs and see what we do. Because I'm bored. We might make more slime. It won't close. Just for today, we're making putty. Let's go downstairs. Okay. I'm just going downstairs. Because I'm just joking. I did. guys, we made it. Sorry, my iPad slipped. Nothing to do, I'll just go get my stuff. You could like watch me when I'm on the counter. Right there. You can just watch me. So I might do this thing one more. I'll get my stuff out. Actually, no. Guys, I don't know what to do. Oh yeah, guys. I have a question. I'm sorry, I have to end this video so quickly. I'm so sorry. Here, I will be giving away those little aqua beads things that I made today, but not this one because this one is for my room. Whoever subscribes, give me a like and give me a view and subscribe. Whoever does that will get 3 of those for each one. So, and I'll get some new merch for you all. So, I hope you like this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you on next time. Bye!